Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding the font files into res/font so Compose can load them directly. Copy TTF or OTF into app/src/main/res/font and use lowercase underscores for file names. Once done, avoid duplicate font family XML unless you need weight or style mapping. Compose can reference single font files by resource ID. This step ensures Android resource management handles densities and packaging. Make sure Gradle sync completes, so resources are available to the Compose compiler. Next, you declare the font and code. Create val myfont equals font r, font, myfont, and val myfont family equals font family myfont. Then build a typography instance using typography, default font family equals myfont family, so all text styles inherit that family. Once declared, apply it by wrapping your UI and material theme, typography equals typography, to replace default fonts. You do this so Compose text composables pick up the resource font consistently, and you can still override individual text styles if necessary. Finish by adding weighted fonts if you need bold or italic, include more font R. Font, my font bold weight equals font weight, W700 in the same font family. Once done, you can override a single text via style equals material theme. Typography, H6. Copy font family equals my font family. If fonts fail to appear, check resource file names, import statements, and ensure Gradle sync ran. Sometimes cleaning and rebuilding fixes cached resource resolution. This approach guarantees predictable typography across Compose screens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.